Hey, le, 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 lo. Hey, le, 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 lo. Hey, da, 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 la, di, di, 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 da, 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 yo, yo. Oh, le, 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 lo. Automatic door slide, and any struts, feathers, side eye like what's up. 1 foot in the lettuce, 1 foot on the tile. Kids dropping snacks, phones out, wide-eyed. Seagull at the supermarket, owns the whole aisle 3. Shopping carts, alarmed employees, he just wants something free. Seagull at the supermarket, king of the open roof. He don't care about rules or signs, he just wants his proof. Managers are whispering, please keep calm. Birds on the cereal, reading every box. Samples table shaking, he's tasting every chip. Crumbs are like confetti on his crooked beak tip. Oh yeah, Seagull at the supermarket, owns the whole aisle 3. Shopping carts, alarmed employees, he just wants something free. Seagull at the supermarket, living his wildest dream. Plastic bags and pastry trays, he's tearing through the scene. Up the doors, he takes a bow, then soars. We're left standing in the line, kinda wishing we could fly. Seagull at the supermarket, still in every mind. Every squeaky rolling wheel sounds like his battle cry. Seagull at the supermarket taught us one weird truth: you can crash the everyday if you're brave enough to swoop.